Hello everyone and welcome to another exciting episode of our Spotlight series. In fact, we are just back from Electrama where we presented all of our innovations, and today we will go in the detail of the home of the future, which is more smart, stylish, sustainable and safe. In fact, at Schneider, we are a company provided all the technology for sustainability. And what does it mean? Sustainability means more electrical for decarbonization and more digital for efficiencies. And here is the point, digital. The future of the home exists now with Wiser, our digital platform where we embark sustainability, safety, smart and stylish. So for the future of the home, when I say more digital, in fact, we bring automation, the brain of the system, which will interact with your appliances, equipment in the house, which will manage energy. This is smart. This is the first S. In fact, this is the smartness. In the future of the home, we want to be safe, and here with our connected devices to measure energy, products which are permanently evaluating the health of your electrical installation. We protect, in fact, people, equipment, and against fire. As example, if there is an electrical arc for fire, we disconnect completely the electrical installation for safety, the second S. The third one is sustainability. And in fact, here with our devices, we measure your consumption at home, but it can be as well per rooms or even at the appliances level. And here with automation, the heart of the system, smart, we can optimize for homeowners the consumption and be prepared to adapt to the energy demands of tomorrow, facilitating, I would say, by integration for rooftop solar monitoring, electrical vehicle monitoring, and also to visualize the complete flow of your energy. The last but not least, the fourth S is the stylish. And here I would say that we have the most appealing ranges of switches and socket outlet. And here we bring connected device within our wiring devices to manage your appliances and measure as well their consumption. To introduce more into this topic, I have with me Nandan, who will go in the detail. Over to you, Nandan.
Thank you, Denis. Hello, everyone. Our Wiser platform focuses on creating homes that are smart, efficient, and sustainable. With Schneider Electric, you can enjoy modern convenience alongside responsible energy management. At the heart of smart strategy is Wiser system. This is simple yet robust platform that makes energy visible. With just one glance, you can see your home is safe from electrical hazards, or are you on track for your energy consumption. Wiser allows homeowners to monitor and control their homes remotely for lighting, temperature, or appliance management, all through one unified interface. Imagine activating a relaxed scene with a simple voice command or tapping on your phone, which adjusts lights, curtains, and temperature for perfect ambience. Innovative daylight harvesting uses the smart sensors to adjust the curtains, indoor lighting based on the natural light available. This minimizes the energy consumptions. Our smart climate control system adjusts the AC, heating, and ventilation based on the occupancy, time of the day, and weather forecast. Imagine you're going back home. Our geofencing tracks the location and triggers predefined home actions such as preheating of water or adjusting the lights just as you reach home. Our solution enhances the beauty of wall with elegant design, seamlessly complementing our stylish wiring device ranges like Unica Pure, Milus Lara, or Milus Zeta. Our solution is scalable and retrofit friendly. That makes it easy to install for new homes or existing homes. With 5-minute commissioning, homeowners can quickly enjoy the benefit of smart homes. As needs evolve, our solutions grows with you, allowing easy expansion. We know homes contribute about 33% of energy consumption. So to make the world sustainable and energy efficient, we should start at our home. The first step is to understand where you are consuming energy and how we can optimize it. A simple example, a water geyser. With Wiser, we can schedule an auto turn-off feature which optimizes the energy consumption. In Wiser, we are future ready for optimizing high consuming loads based on the time of the day terrace system which is going to come soon. Wiser is a culmination of 4 pillars of home and distribution: smart, safe, stylish, and sustainable, all under one app, Wiser. That's all from my side. Back to you, Denis.
Thank you, Nandan, for that detailed explanation. So here today, we've introduced the future of the home, which is available now with our digital platform, Wiser. And as we've seen, when we say digital, it means a home which is smart. So in the next episode, we will dig into smart and safety, smart and sustainability, smart and stylish. All of this has been possible by putting under one Wiser app the 4 pillars for the future of the home. So in conclusion, we are excited to embark on this journey towards a smarter, stylish, safer, and more sustainable future for homes. Thank you very much for joining me today, but there is even still much to come in the special series. Until then, stay tuned, stay connected. See you soon.